Okay, so on the roof now, I've got 22 panels to clean. You can see right there. And they're not crazy dirty because we had some crazy recent rains that washed a lot of the stuff that was on the panels. So that helped out quite a bit. A lot of times, you know, getting into April or May, you'll start seeing they're brown. The panels are just, you know, brown. They're not even, these are like a blue, like a dark blue. But yeah, so sometimes I'll use a detergent on the panels if they have a lot of, if they're really dirty, or if they have bird droppings and bee pollen. So the detergent helps loosen a lot of that up. But in this case, I'm just using the deionized water. It dries spot free, and it'll give it a nice clean with no spots, spot free rinse. And at the end of this pole here, my water fed pole, it's a carbon fiber pole. You can see the brush. It's an 18-inch brush, and that is boar's hair. So the boar's hair is a lot more effective than like the nylon heads. So this really grabs onto the dirt and makes for a more effective clean. So if there is any bee pollen, the boar's hair definitely is more effective. And there's minimal on here as far as bee pollen, but if there is any, it's much more effective in grabbing the dirt and any of the other little particles that may be on the solar panels. But yeah, just wanted to share with you guys some of the tools and the process in which I use to clean the panels. One more thing, this has a rinse bar on it. So as you can see, at the end of it, I have those 4 tubes coming up. I'm not hooked up to those. Those are like pencil jets that come out of the brush. And instead of using those, I use a rinse bar, which gives a lot more flow and just an overall better rinse on the panels. All right, thanks for watching.